Hi everyone, kamusta na kayo? Namaste, how are you guys? So we are here now in my friend venue here in Nepal. So she also married a Filipina man and she invited me to attend her son's birthday. So they are also the owner guys of this venue, Paul Venue. So if you want to celebrate your loved one's birthday or wedding and any other occasion, you can contact them. The place is nice and I'm happy guys that I met some of my kabayan here in Nepal. So I have now lots of friends here in Nepal. So they have also the view guys is nice. I'm going upstairs to look a view. So the view is beautiful guys, nice view. Ang ganda ng view kasi ano siya paakyat. Yan, so relaxing and fresh